Grammar quiz. The verb to be. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verb to be. Eddie and Freddie, blank, identical twins. Is it A, was, B, am, C, is, or D, are? The correct answer is D, are. Eddie and Freddie are identical twins. The huge bull, blank, very angry. Is it A, am, B, is, C, are, or D, were? The correct answer is B, is. The huge bull is very angry. I, blank, afraid of spiders. Is it A, am, B, am being, C, is, or D, are? The correct answer is A, am. I'm afraid of spiders. Oliver, blank, late for the bus again. Is it A, was, B, were, C, am, or D, are? The correct answer is A, was. Oliver was late for the bus again. The motorist, blank, driving too fast and crashed. Is it A, is, B, was being, C, were, or D, were been? The correct answer is C, were. The motorists were driving too fast and crashed. I, blank, attacked by a crazy hippopotamus. Is it A, am, B, is, C, are, or D, was? The correct answer is D, was. I was attacked by a crazy hippopotamus. The baby, blank, a nightmare for his dad. Is it A, am being, B, is being, C, are being, or D, were being? The correct answer is B, is being. The baby's been a nightmare for his dad. And finally, Reese, blank, studying all day and night. Is it A, has be, B, has been, C, has been, or D, has beening? The correct answer is B, has been. Reese has been studying all day and night. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.